Good evening, friends. Today I'm going to show you one of the multi-bagger stock in Indian market, and it's very micro cap company, and but it has very good potential to give a multi-bagger return in upcoming years. Before proceeding, I want to welcome you in our channel, Wealthy Multi-Bagger. Let's see the chart first. If you see that the current price 165 rupees and company has given 1000% return in last 10 years. Okay, and last 5 years 27% return. Let's see more information about this. Current price is 166, market cap just 70 crore, and price to earning ratio 8.17. Book value is 139. Okay. Now, if you check here the fundamental analysis about this food company stock, you will see that dividend yield of this particular company is saying 0. Return on capital employed is showing right now 13.5. Return on equity is showing 10.7, and face value 10. And if you talk about PEG ratio is very excellent for the stock, is 0.09. Equity capital 4.2. Company never changed their equity capital last few years. And if you talk about the current ratio, which is showing 0.93, price to book value is 1.2. And if you talk about the growth factor, company showing growth is 5, which is very good. Growth factor 5 is very excellent. Piotrowski 3 is showing one of the challenge for this company. But if you talk about return on asset for 5 years, just 2.96%, that is a matter of concern. But if you talk about debt to profit, which is very high, you can say is very high value, showing not in good sign. But you have to check with your advisor before taking further position. Odd score of this company is 3.88. Whenever the odd score 3 or greater than 3 is showing good. Difference value 318 minus means that the current price is something higher than their intrinsic value. Solid check is 1. EPS for latest quarter 10.2. EPS for full year is 20.2, and sales for last 10 years 11.8, and profit growth for last 10 years 16.2, and place promoter holding is 53.9. Now if you talk about the last 10 quarter sales growth, it is showing like the company sales was 100 crore, now it is increased to now 136 crore last 10 quarter. But if you talk about the company has performed 136 139%, you can say quarterly sales, which is excellent. If you talk about year-on-year profit, year-on-year growth of this particular sales showing 100%, 60% in 2021 2022, but in 2023 there's some slightly dip. Now in last 10 quarter EBITDA growth, if you see the EBITDA company was triggered about around 9 crore, but there is slightly down in 2020 September 2022, but after that company sales increase, EBITDA also grown 6.69, and also latest quarters the company showing 38% higher in the EBITDA growth. Last 10 quarter interest, one is the matter of concern here, the company is having very high debt. Okay, and if you talk about the company was paying 2.5 crore interest, now reduced to 1.77. This is a very good sign. The PAT growth, company has PAT has been increased from 2.7 to now 4.29, excellent, and growth by the company. There was a dip happen in September. Now if you talk about the EPS has been growth also 6.56 to now 10.2. If you talk about the net sales, it has increased, very good sign here. The last 10 years sales growth, if you talk about the company sales increase was 200 crore to now 516, highest ever sales company trigger right now, and sales growth also showing 6% in June as per June 2023. If you talk about last 10 year EBITDA growth is showing that the EBITDA has also grown 19.19 as per the June, but earlier companies have got 25 crore EBITDA overall the year. The company has also seen the very excellent improvement in the year-on-year growth for this EBITDA. EBITDA margin also consistent 3.7%, but there was EBITDA also higher in the March and 2022. And if you talk about last interest paid last few years, the company's interest paid 4.8. It reduced to now in March 2020. The company was working very well, but after that the corona and something the situation came. The company taken a lot of debt, but after that the company reducing the debt very carefully. Now if you talk about the PAT, company PAT is showing the excellent improvement here. Earlier PAT was 0.25, means 25 lakhs. Now it's showing 8.53 crore PAT. Excellent sign. The company's PAT growth were also very excellent in March 2021 2022, but there is a dip happen in the 2023. Adjusted EPS, you can see EPS also improved from 3 rupees to 20 rupees, and growth was also showing dip in the last few years. If you talk about the last 10 year return on capital employed, which is showing 24.13, return on equity 24.5, and return on asset 6.5 as per the March 2022. If you talk about the last 10 year book value, Okay, last 10-year book value growth is showing 20 rupees, book value showing 124. That is very excellent sign for the company. If you talk about last 10-year working capital also improve. Like you said, -12 means company is getting money 12 days earlier than providing goods. Now if you talk about the last 10-year shareholding fund, which is showing 4.2, which is very fixed, not changing a single equity capital, not diluting the equity for the company. And reserves are also growing from 8 crore to now 54 crore. If you talk about non-current asset, the non-current assets are reduced last few year-to-year mapping. If you talk about the last year, it was 52 crore, but now 44 crore. But there is a matter of concern in the current liability, which is increased to highest ever 101. This is a concern for the company. Now non-current asset also 110 crore, which is also excellent here. If you talk about inventory is highest ever 32 crore. Sundry debtor also highest ever 46 crore, and cash and bank also highest ever 8 crore in this company. Promoters holding intact 53.91, which is very good. There is no FIA holding. What is the company name? Company name is Universal Starch-Chem Allied Limited. Company is creating a starch for the different industries, food industries. Very good company. Company is providing the services of pharmaceutical, textile, paper, nutraceutical. Okay, the Universal Starch is a pioneer corn milling company since 49 years. 1970, and manufacturing located in the Maharashtra. 750 metric tons is the capacity for the company. Company is capable to deliver high quality starch and product. What is the company certificate? Company has certificate from FDA, FSSAI, GMP. Very good company. The one is the corporate office in the Dadar, Mumbai, but you can check with the website and also check with the advisor before taking further position in this company. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.